Hello everybody and welcome back to Cruinniú with Draíocht. I'm Andrew and today we're going to make some origami wish boats. All we need is a sheet of paper. Origami is an ancient Japanese art of folding paper. First thing you need is a square piece of paper. Now if you don't have a square piece of paper, that's absolutely fine. Here's how you make one. So taking a normal sheet of copy paper like this, we're going to fold it down just like this. The important thing is to make sure the corner matches up and it's nice and level along the bottom. Just there. Fold it all down. Now we cut this bit off. And there we are. Square bit of paper. Now we've got our square sheet of paper, we're ready to go. Now before you start, if you wanted to, you can write on the paper a little wish or a little hope or your favourite poem, or you could write a little story, and we're going to fold that all up and then it'll become part of the wish boat. So let's go. So here's our square piece of paper, and the first thing I'm going to do is fold it diagonally like this. Matching corner to corner. Smooth it out. Then we open it up again, turn it around, and we're going to fold it here. Same to the corner. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to fold the outside bit into the middle like that, keeping our lines straight up. There we go, and the same on the other side. So I didn't write a story on this, but you can, if you like. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to fold it in half again like that, along that line. I bring this just up to the middle. Smooth it down. And the same on the other side. And there we go. Now we're going to fold it in half along the middle, like this. There we go. This is a bit tricky, but we're going to fold up these little flaps just up into the middle, like that. And open it out again, and the same on the other side, just along there. Now we're going to fold down along this line. Now this is a bit tricky because you have to kind of open it up like this, fold it down, press down like that. We have like a little diamond shape. Now we're going to fold in the outside triangles. 1, 2, and 3 along the bottom. So it makes like a little square. And then we're going to fold that square in half. So, and turning it over, we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. So open out and fold out. It's a bit tricky. We have our diamond again, and we're going to fold it into a square. On the side, And the other side. And the bottom. And then fold it in half. Now, it's not looking like a boat yet, but if we open it up, then more folding along the top bit in towards the middle. And this is where the paper starts to get a little bit stiff. And on the other side. It's tricky, you can do the two bits separately, like that. And now, flip it over, and more unfolding like earlier. I'm going to fold it up, open up these like that. So it's kind of like a little frame with maybe a house on top. Okay. Make sure it's all properly folded. And then we're going to fold it in half, back on itself. So there we go. Now this is where it starts to all come together. So taking the two corners, I'm going to pull them out and up. And there we have the start of a boat. We unfold this, unfold a little triangle in there again. There's a sail at the front. And the same at the back. Another little sail. And there we have a little boat. Oh, you're tricky standing up. There we go. Now, so you might want to watch this video a few times when you're making it, just to make it easier for yourself. Now, there we have our little wish boat. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all of your photos and videos of your little wish boats up on our website. Talk to you soon. Bye.